Hi guys, this is episode 1 of my basic Python tutorial for Discord bots, Python 3.6.5. Uh, yeah, so before we do anything, actually, we're going to want to create our bot before we even jump into coding or tech, like anything. So the link will be in the description to this website. It's discordapp.com/developers/applications/me. We're just going to create a new app. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine YouTube tutorial. And I'm going to name it YouTube, just in the description. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't have to match mine. You can match mine. It doesn't have to. You're going to just create an app, scroll down to create a bot user, and click yes, do it. And then you're going to have your token here. Don't tell anyone your token, otherwise they'll have access to your bot. Basically, you're going to want to hang on to that. We're going to use this for code. We don't need it right now, but we're going to use it later. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open a command prompt. So basically, we're going to use pip to install everything. We only have to install 2 things, nice and easy. So we're going to do python-m pip install, and then we're going to do discord.py. All the commands I use are going to be in the description below if you need them. Or you can type along with me. Doesn't really matter. So just press enter. It'll install them. Then you're going to want to do the same thing again, except instead of discord.py, we're going to do async IO. Nice and easy. Installed. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to open a Python editor, which if you just go on the bottom left of your computer and search, it's IDLE, which is idle. It'll pop this up. It's a Python shell. We don't really need a shell right now. We actually just need an IDE. So you're gonna go up to File, New File, and this will open. Go ahead and close the shell, and then we'll just make this full screen. So what we need to do now is we're actually gonna get into the code part of it, and we're gonna import Discord. And we're just gonna go ahead and import everything that we just installed. So now we're doing from Discord extension commands import bot. So what this is, it's looking through the Discord packages, and we're just looking for bot. And then we're gonna do the same thing almost, except we're gonna be looking for commands. And then we also need to import async IO. Nice and easy. So before we can do anything with the Discord bot, importing it is great, but it's useless right now. We're not using it, right? So what we need to do is first establish our connection. So client, capital C, is equal to discord.client, capital C, right? And so basically what this is going to do is going to establish our bot's connection to Discord. And then we're going to do lowercase client, commands.bot, capital B, command underscore prefix equals. All right, so basically how Discord bots work is we're actually looking at a bunch of chat messages. We can intercept every single chat message, but we're gonna only look at chat for commands, right? We can't look at every command, because if someone's typing out a sentence, help, right? We don't want it to run the help command, right? So what we use is command prefixes. I've seen this, I've seen this, I've seen, you name it, I've seen it. $signs, anything. But for today's tutorial, I'm just going to use an exclamation mark. You guys can use whatever you want. But I'm just going to use the exclamation mark just to keep things simple. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're actually going to look at a bunch of client events. So anytime something happens, that's what we're looking for. So the way we do that is by doing @client event. So basically, anytime something happens, we want to know about it. So on ready. So what this is going to do is basically when the bot is ready and it's connected to the Discord and like everything is fine, we want it to print that the bot is online. That's all we want it to do. Nice and easy. Bot online, right? So let's go ahead and test this out. So we'll do client. Oh yeah, down here below everything, we're going to do client.run. And then remember that token I was telling you guys about? Let me grab it. We need that now. We're going to need that right now. So you're going to just go ahead and grab the token. Again, keeping it private. Make sure no one has it. Otherwise, they can make changes to your bot. We're just going to paste that in the quotation marks. And then we can save our bot anywhere we want. I'm just going to do it Python, YouTube, Discord. We'll just name it, I don't know, main, right? So there's one more thing that we need to do, and that's add our bot to our Discord server, right? So we'll do this. In the description below will be what you need to copy and paste. So you're gonna need your client ID, which you can get here. Boom, and then you paste it in there. Head on over to the website, add a bot to the server, click which server you would like. We'll just do crypto launch. I don't know. I'm not a robot. I promise. I'm just making one. Okay, now it's authorized. Sweet. So we'll head into the Discord. If I can find it. All right, so we see YouTube tutorial bot right here. Awesome, it's connected. However, it's offline. We can fix that if we just go to run module, or just press F5. I'm just gonna press F5, nice and easy. So we're gonna wait for it to say bot online, and we'll check the Discord now. And there we go, our bot's online. It's connected. And that's it for episode 1. If you guys want to learn how to make commands, go ahead and check out episode 2. That's where we're going to be learning commands and some different things you can do with that. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this series. Let me know what you guys want to see out of this series. Let me know what you want me to add. Anyways, have a good day, guys.